TrueNAS has released a new tool called TrueNAS Connect, which allows you to manage multiple TrueNAS servers through a single pane of glass. Today, I'm going to show you an example of the beta that's live right now, talk about some of the functionality and some of the development that is ongoing for the future functionality. Unfortunately, almost all the functionality I will show you today will be paywalled on January 1st when TrueNAS Connect is out of beta. The only functionality which will remain free is the ability to manage a single system through TrueNAS Connect and use the Headless web install tool. For the rest of the tools, it will cost $50 per NAS per year. I will cover the pricing section of the blog post at the end of this video. Let's jump over to connect.truenas.com. Here we can click the green sign in button, and we are greeted with the option to use two different types of OAuth, either Google or GitHub. In my case, I'm going to use Google. After I authenticate with my account, I'm prompted to unlock my keyring for two existing versions of TrueNAS I have connected. The important thing about this keyring is that it exists purely on my system through the providers I have for my password manager, which in my case is Bitwarden. iXsystems never has access to any of my passwords, any of my usernames, or the keyring I use to unlock them. I'm going to use my passphrase that I've set up here, paste it in, and hit OK. And you'll see here on the dashboard, the two versions of Goldeye that I have been logged into automatically, and we can read some of the information from their dashboards. Even though I'm accessing the dashboards of two different TrueNAS instances, this is all flowing through my browser. When I click the Open TrueNAS UI for Goldeye Proxmox 2, you'll see here in the URL bar, this is not a world accessible URL. This is only accessible through my LAN. So if I want to use the feature of TrueNAS Connect, I have to be on the same network as the TrueNAS servers I'm connecting, or have a VPN that connects my current browser session to the TrueNAS servers I'm trying to connect to. Currently, TrueNAS Connect only works with Goldeye versions of TrueNAS. If you have a Goldeye version, like I will show you here, you can see this new icon in the top right that says Status of TrueNAS Connect. And when I click it, I'm already connected. But if you have not connected, there'll be a button here that prompts you to start the TrueNAS Connect process. Enclosures is pretty amazing in the event that you need to know where your hard drives are in the physical structure of the case. So I have two systems connected, and I've already made one for Goldeye Proxmox. Here I said that I have a 4-bay NAS that are set up horizontally, and then I can assign the drives to whichever bay they're actually in. The cool part about this is if a drive goes bad, it'll show up here as red, indicating an offline drive, one that's degraded, or a pool that's broken. I can see my pool topology by clicking the topology tab, and because I only have one drive right now, SDB is only showing up as tank, but if I had more disks here that were part of tank, they would show up in these other slots that I've added. Jumping over to applications in the left pane, we can see all the applications running across all of our TrueNAS instances. Just like the regular applications page, if I have applications running in Dockage, which I do, they will not be visible because they're not visible on the TrueNAS dashboard for apps for each individual TrueNAS server. This is only going to show apps running from the TrueNAS apps catalog. Next, let's look at access. When I click my access tab, we can see here the systems that have been assigned to me. I also have the option of adding other users, other groups, and sharing these systems with other people. That's going to be important in the event that I have more than one person managing my TrueNAS cluster. If I want to invite other people, I can click share, enter their email address, or give user groups access to this. Clicking notifications tasks, we have the ability here to add notifications for all of our systems or individual systems as we see fit. When I click the add button in the top right, we can see here which systems we want to add, whether we want to do an alert or a report, our schedule, the threshold of the alert that we want to be notified for, and the notification method. Currently, email is the only thing supported, but there's going to be SMS, Slack, and PagerDuty in the future using webhooks. A future feature that is in development but has not been released into beta yet is going to be the ability to replicate between datasets on different servers running TrueNAS. If I had a dataset on Goldeye Proxmox and I wanted to move it to Goldeye Proxmox 2, I'd currently have to go into the TrueNAS UI and set up a replication task internally, do an SSH key exchange, and do a couple other things to make sure the two TrueNAS servers can talk to each other. In the future, TrueNAS Connect is going to do that for me. I will simply tell it which datasets I want to replicate from what source to what destination, and it will handle everything else in the background. This is going to greatly simplify moving data from one TrueNAS server to another in the future as compared to the current process. Going back to the blog post, I just want to show something all the way at the bottom, which is talking about the subscription plans that are going to be offered in the future. Right now, the foundation which is included are a few key features found here. However, they do plan on running 2 different tiers of subscriptions. The Plus subscription, including some of the features I showed right now because it's in beta and they're currently free, are going to be $50 per NAS per year. Above that, there'll be an additional tier of service for enterprise business in 2026 that has not been announced yet in terms of pricing or feature set. This has been an overview of the TrueNAS Connect streamlined management system. Let me know in the comments below what you think about TrueNAS Connect, and thank you guys for watching.